SpaceX has just reached a major milestone that showcases its growing dominance in spaceflight. The company completed its 100th Falcon 9 launch of 2025 from the West Coast. On Monday morning, the reliable two-stage Falcon 9 rocket successfully lifted off from Vandenberg Space Force Base, carrying an impressive payload of 24 Starlink satellites into orbit. But here's where it gets even more impressive. The rocket's first stage booster touched down safely on a drone ship floating in the Pacific Ocean just about 8 minutes after liftoff, highlighting the precision and reusability that SpaceX is known for. The deployment of all 24 satellites went exactly as planned, confirmed by SpaceX roughly an hour after the launch, further cementing the company's reputation for mission accuracy. This 100th launch figure isn't limited to Vandenberg alone. It includes missions launched from various SpaceX sites, including their bustling Florida facility, reflecting a rapidly accelerating launch cadence. To put this into perspective, SpaceX hit their 100 launch mark last year on October 20th, according to Kiko Donchev, the company's vice president of launch. This acceleration in launch frequency speaks volumes about the expanding demand for both government and commercial payload deliveries. Of those 100 Falcon 9 missions this year, over 30 have taken off from Vandenberg, which has become a vital hub not only for Starlink, but for a wide range of satellite deployments and military payloads. And this is the part most people miss. Vandenberg isn't just any launch site. Since its establishment in December 1958, it has been at the forefront of space exploration and missile testing, having supported around 2,145 launches to date. The base recently celebrated another historic achievement when a launch on August 13 marked the 1,000th space vehicle operation licensed or permitted by the Federal Aviation Administration, a significant regulatory milestone that underscores the maturity and safety of U.S. commercial spaceflight. Looking ahead, SpaceX isn't slowing down. They have their sights set on another Falcon 9 launch, scheduled for as early as this Friday. Once again deploying more Starlink satellites, the anticipated launch window spans from 8:44 a.m. to 12:44 p.m., demonstrating the flexibility and readiness of SpaceX's operational schedule. But here's a question worth pondering. With such a steep rise in the number of launches and the increasing reliance on reusable rocket technology, are we witnessing a sustainable model for space access? Or does this rapid pace risk overwhelming regulatory frameworks and orbital traffic management? What do you think? Is this rapid-fire launch schedule a triumph of innovation or a cause for concern? Share your thoughts below. Let's get the conversation started.